So this might be the best news I ever have when it comes to my YouTube channel. I finally made it. 5,000 plus subs owns you the ability to create channel membership. So let's go ahead and find out what is it. Go into new incognito window over here. Type in youtube.com. And the next thing you want to do here is pretty much type in my name, Sergey Kisimov, and when you're big on this channel, it automatically finds you right on the channel itself. Not yet this big, but big enough. So this one comes up as the first one right here. Here is my channel, it says subscribe right now. Let's press on my channel here. And here it is, the membership right there. We can actually join up and become a member of my actual channel. Press on join. All you have to do is to sign in, and you create your own account, and you can actually become a member of my channel, which actually means you sponsor the actual channel itself. So here are the whole different things that you can actually do here, and this actually shows you what happens when you get to this level, what kind of things you can add to this, and how to do this directly. And I'm showing you an example of my channel first, so you get VIP access to see how it actually looks like. And of course, if you are interested, you're more than welcome to join in the fun. And of course, give me a small donation in the process. So you get extra perks by becoming either a fan, sponsor, supporter, or a super fan, or even the executive level, which is the biggest one here. Each level gives you a perk. And by upgrading to the next level, you get the perks from before it. So the executive level gets everything and above for this price. But even the fan, they get the cool stuff right here, such as the loyalty badge right beneath it when you comment right under anything below. So it's kind of like a really cool system here. And every few months you get upgraded until you get this super high sheriff sheriff of YouTube, otherwise known. And we also have exclusive emojis for you to use, such as a hacker, astronaut, some geek guy, and a hot babe. Really cool stuff right here. So the perks of being a member, you can actually create your own perks over here. So let's go ahead into here and check this out. Check the actual thing behind the scenes, so you can create this as well. Specifically, if you are interested in doing so and you already have over 5,000 subs. Right now I have 6,000 subs right now. So this is something for you to think about if you're not there yet, because someday you will get there and you will be viewing this video and checking it out. And over here, we're going next and moving this screen a little bit to the downside where it says monetization, and press on it. And the next thing you want to do here is to press on membership. This tab should actually show up here if you already are able to get this. The next thing you want to see here is something that actually says membership over here. And to get this to work, right now this is brand new, there's nobody here, so be the first. You're more than welcome to be my first fan of my channel. And you can see the following. So to get this to work, you pretty much have to do a few things here. One, you have to actually give your membership offer. Press on edit here, and you have to create this right here. So I already created this for you, but if you want to create one, all you have to do is just press on here, and you can delete the level if you don't like it, or you can create a new one. You title it, then you have a choice of different kind of price options for you to pick from. Now there's nothing for me to pick over here, and it's pretty much going from $2 all the way to about $100 that you can post in here. And you can do a bunch of different levels. You can see right here we have about 5 of them right there. And then you can add perks and emojis to it as well. And when you have a perk, all you have to do is to press on create a perk. And we have a few different choices here: behind the scenes videos, early access to new videos, shoutouts in videos, off cuts and bloopers, unreleased footage, exclusive members only videos. This is something that is going to happen very soon to my channel. You might as well just dive in and watch every single video, because soon enough some of my videos are going to be members only if you don't want to pay the extra fees. Photos and status update, exclusive wallpaper, exclusive GIF, and there's even an option for you to connect with you on social media, and I'm actually giving that away as one of my perks as well. So lots of cool different things that you can give here. And man, I should have posted that one, which called discounted merchandise, which is not merchandise, but I'm actually giving away my online classes. So it's called totally different, and you can get this so easily right here. It starts at only $5 a month. And it's kind of cool. All kinds of cool things that you can add to this. And then the next thing you have to do after you add all these different perks and it is approved by YouTube, you go into your badges and emojis. And this is super important. Without doing this, you're not going to get to the next step. So over here, you can use generic YouTube badges, such as this, which is kind of boring. Or you can upload your own, which I actually did. How do you get your own stuff? Very, very simple. You go over here where it says pixelbay.com. Pretty much look for anything you want, such as, for example, aliens. Yeah. Haha, that's an alien. Oh, wow. I didn't know that was an alien. That really does look like an alien, doesn't it? Anyway, here is an alien abduction. Pretty much if you like this, all you have to do is to press on free download and press on download right here. I'm not a robot. Go back to this. Press on this button, which actually says edit the badge right here. So the new member, they get the yellow one, and they walk all the way to the top until they get the sheriff over here, the big one. Press on edit the badge, press on replace the badge, and I'm not doing this because if I do this, it's gonna mess up everything over here. But the most important thing is that you have to do it and do the following here, which is very important. Supported format, and then specifically the size, which is 32 by 32, and they actually cannot be less than 1 megabyte. But the most important one is the one that gets the most people is the aspect ratio 1:1. So I'll show you that one. So the aspect ratio 1:1 is pretty much the following. All you have to do is just to pick the picture you actually like, which is this one right here, for example, but it has to be the same size. It has to be exactly as square. As you can see on the side, it says the megapixel count right next to it. Right now it is 400 over 300. It has to be exactly 400 by 400 or 300 over 300, almost exactly as close as possible. And it has to look like a square too. Once it looks exactly like an actual square, this is going to be a 1:1 ratio, and you can take a snapshot of it and you can add it over here. If it is not 1:1 ratio, it's not going to show up here and it's not going to let you save it. So this is very important. The emojis over here, this is very similar and the same thing as well here. So you just pick a few of them. You have about a choice of a few of them right there. I can't add any more until I have more people who are members, and I really hope for members right now, so I can add more cool emojis over here too. So pretty much, let's go ahead and edit one of those. Press on edit, press on replace the image. I'm going to show you right here how to do this. Press on open, and you can see right here. And the next thing you have to do is save and publish. And if it is 1:1 ratio, it's going to save it. I don't want to mess this one up, so I'm not going to actually do this step. But I'm showing you exactly how you should be doing it instead. So no, I'm not changing that one. Now there's few other things you have to do here, and it is important. Terms of service, very essential for you. So when you sign up the terms of service, there's going to be a menu over there that shows that up. It is essential that you're going to be using your real name that you sign up for YouTube, and make sure it is your real business that you sign up for YouTube as well. Otherwise, it's not going to let you sign it. So that is essential. And if you don't agree to it, you're not going to be able to even get to the next step at all. And that thing was throwing me off over there because you have to do every single thing. It has to be spelled exactly legally right for this to actually work. Now there's a few other steps that are also important. One, you have to announce it to everyone. It is pretty simple. One, you have to actually post an actual video. What is this channel all about and the perks of joining it. The next thing for you to do is to post in the community tab the same exact thing here, right there, which is the member only access. So those are actually the 4 different steps that you're doing in order to post the membership up on your channel. And then it is time for you to get and create the exclusive content. So the members only content is going to be right here, and soon enough I'm going to have just things for the members only, which is going to be exclusive videos just for members. Some of them, my existing videos, is going to be moved over here. Some new videos is going to move over here as well. And of course, they get VIP access to some of my perks, such as talking to me, such as giving away my classes super extremely cheap, $5 to even $9. And you should do the same exact thing. Once you get to 5,000 members, get inspired, get started, and create your own membership on your channel. It is awesome. It is really cool. One of the best features of YouTube, and I'm so excited to have this on my channel right now.